Like and subscribe my channel before watching it. Hello kids, today we are going to learn about letter C. C. So let's start the story. It was Cuckoo Cat's birthday. She took out her old clothes and wore a new dress which was lying in her cupboard. She invited her friends in her birthday. The crow gave her a toy car. Dog bought a cake for her. They put candles on the cake. Her friend Camel came with many colors and beautiful cards. The bear clicked the pictures with the camera. Everyone sang happy birthday song for the cuckoo cat. Hearing this, the bird came out of the keys and started dancing. Everyone ate custard and drank Coca-Cola. So children, today we learn about the letter C. Thank you.